incarcerated and the sentence lengths and how we can better serve them as well as save money for the state. So I assure you those are ongoing conversations. It's somewhat contentious because the balance is between saving money and making sure we don't let out the truly dangerous people that can harm the public. And there's a lot of room in between to work, which I'm sure Andy will be telling you about. Get through to the House and to the House floor soon. That's the human sex trafficking for minors bill, and that would be a penalty on the Johns who purchase sex from minors. Our state is a target state across the nation because our laws are some of the loosest. So we had testimony from the police that people do fly into Portland Airport every weekend having bought minors, children off the internet, and so we're a mecca, and we want to take care of that. The general fund has gone down, 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 and so we'd like to get to the point where the yellow bar is and raise it back up. So that's something that I'm fighting for, and you may see me vote against the education budget so that we can actually get a higher budget from in the future, because we think our schools need that, and we want to prevent the layoffs that could occur.